The European education system is in crisis. Two-thirds of schools identify the shortage of staff as their greatest challenge. Administration offices are swamped by bureaucratic tasks, processing forms, tracking attendance, and responding to a tsunami of parental emails. Desperate for relief, European schools often use American AI tools, for example from Microsoft. This is a critical legal mistake. Pasting a student's name, class, and medical reason for absence into a public cloud constitutes a severe GDPR violation. Enterprise solutions hosted on foreign servers expose schools to third-party risks. Welcome the Secure AI Assistant. It's 100% free and operates 100% offline, zero data transfers outside Europe or even your school's building. Because it runs locally, there are no fees, no subscription, and absolute privacy by design. You own everything. How does it work? You simply paste a parent email, select parent response, and run the prompt. This is just for your IT staff as information what is happening in the background. Normal users never see this. And voila, you get a professional reply for each parent's email. Teacher wants to create a new lecture, paste your topic, select lesson creator, and run prompt. Again, FYI, 100% on-device processing. You need to promote something? Paste your info, select social media posts, and run prompt. Voila! My Secure AI Assistant is 100% public, inspectable, and completely free. Send this repository to your IT department or data protection officer today. You need an AI model program? I use the free LM Studio for the setup, but you can also implement other local AI hosting tools that you prefer. You need at least one open source AI model that fits your hardware. This leaderboard shows you all state-of-the-art options you can pick from. Hi, I'm Elias, who created the Secure AI Assistant. My AI tool is aimed to be a simple, modular, and free AI assistant that helps schools and universities with high workload and low resources. You can modify everything to fit your guidelines and preferences. The quality of AI outputs depends on the quality of your hardware, and especially the size of your memory. More RAM equals smarter AI. Download the Secure AI Assistant today, test it on a single computer, and empower your school administration with a free, secure, and smart helper to ease the daily work. This is my website. Check my work and contact me for any questions.